everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to recover deleted files and photos on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, I will show you this file will be deleted. Double click on the recycle bin. It's most easiest method. You will see this image now I will be deleted. Right click on that. Click on restore. It will be placed to its original place. Here will this. So the next is restore previous version file history. Simply we are going to any of the folder. For example, this email will be I will delete this image. Now go back to right click on that, click on show more options. You will see this restore previous version. If you enable backup, you will the file will be shown there. So I'm not enabling my backup, so the file not will showing there. So the next is Windows 11 backup OneDrive or file history. So simply we are going to OneDrive. Here we will log into our account. This is the home screen. You will see recycle bin. Here all the files. You will see this file date deleted 2 minutes ago, file size all. You can click restore from there also. So the file will be restored. So the next is Window File Recovery official Microsoft tool. We are going to Microsoft Store. We are searching Windows File Recovery. Here is the Windows official tool. You can click on get. It will be free of cost. It will be opened in command prompt. I will drop the command in the description. So the next is system restore point. Click on start menu, search create a restore point. Here you will see system restore. Click on next. Here you will see show more restore points. Click on the restore point and next. Click on finish to restore this file. And that's it. How can you recover deleted files and photo on Windows 11? So if you like this video, hit the like button. For more videos, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Thanks for watching.